My name is Maxine Somerville. I'm sharing with you people a part of me that very few people know. This picture represents when I was in my addiction and in my recovery. If you notice, this side is plain. My addiction had me plain. I couldn't think. I was all covered up in the disease that ate me up. And once I got the help that I needed, I was able to see some colors. There's two sides to this dog, a wolf. Yeah, wolf. And the other side is very colorful because that's where I'm at today. My spirit had been stepped on. Now I know that my spirit can have the way to connect all over the world and to other people.
So when I look at this piece, this represents a tree bark with the tree leaves. But then I see in the corner, it's an eye. So is this a man in a tree, or is this a tree that is alive? Okay, so is it like the beginning of his birth or the end of his death? I'm like, I see all this stuff, so I'm like, okay, what is it saying? So for me, being an art person, when I look at a piece of art, that's what I look at.
I'm Eunice Lafayette, a folk artist in Wilmington, Delaware, owner of Lafayette Gallery. I found that art is powerful ever since a child, but more so in the last 4 years when I had to cope with caregiving and then losing my loved one to cancer. I had to cope with grief. Art is powerful, transforming. I created a body of work. It's helped me to rebound from grief to growth. And that is what we want to show, the healing power of art.
Wait a minute.
Oh, cool.
This is Chris H. We won't use his name in case the FBI is looking for him. He's getting ready to show us. Look at what he did. Oh my God, this is phenomenal. Oh wow.
It's a photocopy.
Chris, let me take a picture, please. Oh, this is awesome. Wait a minute, Chris, hold it. Are you going to show off 5,000 of your teeth?
Hello, my name is Jametta Langley, and I'm a patient care assistant in one of the local hospitals. And I'd just like to share with you one of my experiences with the art in my room.
Great.
And I thought it was just very encouraging and very uplifting to see that in my room.
And how did it affect you in your room, the art?
Oh, it affected me. I felt so different. I just felt comfortable, and it was healing. It was a very healing experience.